On the field tonight, you will see the Green Wave logo. While typically we think of the M representing Meade County High School, the M is also a symbol of the pride for the students, staff, and alumni for the entire Meade County School District. The white M symbolizes the vision of excellence we strive for in academics, arts, athletics, and service. You will notice this white M on the letterman jackets our students wear, the focal insignia at the center of Meade County High School, on our gymnasium floor in our school, and on numerous banners that commemorate outstanding achievement by our schools, staff members, and students. The M is at the center of our graduates here tonight on our field. Our hope is that this focal insignia will serve as a unifying reminder of the high expectations we have for our students, staff, alumni, families, and for all those who enter our campus and facilities